Now let's quickly play with it. I'll scrape it out here first. Oh, it's a bit dark here, I can't see anything. Alright. That didn't work well. I didn't tighten the razor properly. Jasmine, can you see? There's not enough light, eh? Get that light over. Keeson, can you get that light over here? I'm going blind. Thank you, Keeson. Alright, let's put a torch here. A light. That's a bit better. Let me heat it up again. What's that black thing? I took the plastic right off, did I? Oh shit, Jasmine. I took the whole plastic off. Yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, look. Oh my god. I shouldn't have done it. Okay, so this is where I stuffed up. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in. The metal top is on top. Down here is metal. But this line here, it seems like it's some kind of material. If you pinch it with your thumb, you see an indentation there. And what I did was, when I was removing the vinyl with this blade, the corner of the blade, it was like scraping through it, you know what I mean? Let me try to zoom it in. I was scraping through it and I was ripping it out. I didn't know, because I thought like it was full on metal. So you just got to be careful. Feel the body of the car first before you use this, so you know where is a soft part and all that. So they use this all the way along the rims here, and yeah, my first go, I pretty much damaged that. So just be careful of where you're cutting this as well, using this to cut. And as you realize, I also damaged this part, and I went to Graphic Art Mart at Preston's. I purchased the correct vinyl. One of the sales guy, he is also a vinyl installer, and he helped me with the color code for the vinyl wrap to match this car originally. And I showed him what I did wrong here. He mentioned that it's because I have heated this up too hot, and which I did, as you can see in the video, and then I used this and I just forced it in and try to pull out the vinyl. I got to touch it up with paint, but that's another story. And just be careful with the bumper, because it's made of plastic. When you heat it up too much or you put too much force, it will just rip the paint right off.